Hi, I'm Kelly Walker from Rejuvenate, and I'm going to show you how to assemble your Click and Clean Spray Mop system, the full-size spray mop in a compact box. So let's start with opening this box up and seeing what we have inside. First off, we have our main sprayer unit. We have our mop head that accepts multiple types of mop bases, like our dusting pad, our microfiber cleaning pad, and then inside we also have two poles. You'll see your handle as well as the middle pole right here. You have three adapters, so that I'll show you how to use those in just a little bit. We even give you a great scrub brush, and this scrub brush is the absolute best for all of your cleaning needs, but it's really great for your tile as well and your grout. And a bottle of our all-floor cleaner, all ready to go, everything you need to make your cleaning your floors faster and easier than ever before.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.